Welcome to this page. Welcome to this platform. Solve the following. Question number 1. If x is the second quadrant angle, sin x is equal to 3 over 5. Which of the following is false? Cos x is equal to negative 4 over 3. B. Sin 2x is equal to negative 21 over 25. C. Cos 2x is equal to 7 over 25. D. Tan 2x is equal to 24 over 7. How do you answer this question? So what is given? Theta is the second quadrant angle. In the second quadrant, only sine is positive, the rest is negative. Sin x is 3 over 5 is given. Solution, let's do together. So, sin x is equal to 3 over 5 and x is second quadrant. X is in second quadrant. So, look at A. Cos x is equal to minus 4 over 5. So how do you solve this one? How do you find cos? From trig identity, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. We have this formula. So now, sin is given. So cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. This is equal to 1 minus, sin x is given 3 over 5. The whole square. This is equal to 1 minus 9 over 25. This is equals to 16 over 25. But x is element of x is in second quadrant angle. Since x is in the second quadrant, therefore, what is true? So cos is negative in the second quadrant. Cos x is equal to minus of square root of 16 over 25. So this is equal to minus 4 over 5. So A is true. Sin 2x, B. Sin 2x, look at B. So, this is double angle. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. These two are equal. So from this, 2 times sin x is 3 over 5. Cos x is, we have already minus 4 over 5. So this is equal to 2 times 3 is 6, negative 24. Negative 24 over 25. So B is true. Look at C. C, cos 2x. Again, this one is double angle. Cos 2x is equivalent to cos square x minus sin square x. So this, cos is minus 4 over 5. The whole square minus 3 over 5 the whole square. This is equal to 16 over 25 minus 9 over 25. The result is 60 minus 9 is 7. 7 over 25. So C is true. Look at D. D, tan. Again, this one is double angle. Tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x. These are equivalent. Or, so we have already sin 2x cos 2x. Sin 2x over cos 2x. But sin 2x is negative 24 over 25. Cos 2x is 7 over 25. This is calculated as 25 by 25 is cancelled. So the result is negative 24 over 7. 24 over 7. But choice D says it is positive 24 over 7. So this one is false. So the answer is D. The answer is D. Go to question number 2. Which of the following is false? Again, question related to trigonometric function. Which of the following is false? Tan 420 is equals to root 3 says. Solution, how do you solve this question? For A, so tan of negative 420 is equals to, so I'll find related angle. So 420 minus 360 is 60 degree, but this 420 degree, look, 420 degree, negative 4, it is anti-clockwise, starting from this 360 degree, then it is fourth quadrant angle. You know, in the fourth quadrant angle, this angle is fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant angle, tan is negative. So this is minus tan of the related angle is 420 minus 360, tan of 60 degree. This is equal to minus root 3. So A is true. Look at B. B, sine of negative 660. Sine of negative 660. So you know that from this also, negative 660 degree means which quadrant angle first. So anti-clockwise, this one is 360 degree. Again, 570 degree. So it's first quadrant angle. This angle is first quadrant. So therefore, in the first quadrant, sine is what? Positive. So sine of 660 degree is adding the negative 660 degree plus 720 degree. This is sine of 60 plus 660 minus plus what? 720 degree. Because periodic function sine of theta is equals to sine of theta plus 360k. 360k. So this is negative 660 plus 720 means it is sine of 660 is 60 degree. But sine of 60 degree is what? Root 3 over 2. But this one says sine of negative 660 is negative root 3 over 2. So the answer is B. B is false. Let us check C. Check C. Sine of 495. Sine of 495 degree, which quadrant angle? Look, 495 degree means, look, 360 degree, then 90 degree, 450, then it is the second quadrant angle. It is second quadrant, cast, the word cast. This word cast is positive. Cos is positive, all is positive, sine is positive, tangent is positive. The rest is negativity means. The word cast is positive. Therefore, this 495 degree is a second quadrant angle. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. This is the same as sine of 495 minus 360 coterminal angle. This is equal to sine of 135 degree. The difference is 135. But 135 is second quadrant degree. In the second quadrant, how do you find related angle? 180. This is equals to sine of 180 minus 135. So this is equal to sine of 45 degree. This is equal to what? Root 2 over 2. So C is true. Look at D. D, cos of 300 degree. What does it mean? 300 degree is which quadrant angle? It is fourth quadrant. So in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So how do you find the related angle in the fourth quadrant? 360 minus 300. This is equals to cos of 60 degree. You know, cos of 60 degrees 1 over 2. So D is true. How do you see this problem? If you like it, for more video, share to your friend. Thank you.